Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about AliExpress shopping app. In this video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about AliExpress Black Friday and how to explore and get product at unlimited discounted price on all goods. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your AliExpress app. So I'm going to open my AliExpress app right here. Then after you open up your AliExpress app, then it's going to load up and appear just like so. However, this depends on the country and the location you find yourself, depends on the price of the product that you might find. However, for you to have access to Black Friday deal on AliExpress, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Black Friday section right here. So once you navigate to Black Friday section, you see all available products on the Black Friday deal. The more you scroll down, the more you see them right here. However, you can only navigate through this option. You cannot search for it using your search bar right here, or better still, using your camera icon, which refers to as image search. So once you get to this section here, every deal you see here refers to as Black Friday deal, which you can save about up to 80%. Now, how do you shop deal by category? You can shop deal by category from the sections right here, such as toys, tech, home appliance, fashions, etc. You can also swipe this way and see more. So let's, for instance, I want to enjoy unlimited discount on toys under the Black Friday deal. Go ahead and click on toys right here. So when you click on toys, you see all available products in toy sections right here. So by the time you click on any one of them, you'll be given the discounted as a Black Friday deal. So if I'm interested in this, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now it's loaded up. You can see as at the time of making this video, I'm purchased this particular toy at the price of 3,566 naira 77 kobo, and the Black Friday end at December 4. So as at the time of making this video, there is still very much Black Friday sales on this particular product, just like what you see right there, and it also include shipping free, just like so, which simply means that I only pay for the product price right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and check as many as possible different brands under these sections right here. Okay, so these are for toys. So if you want to get on more under this toys and Black Friday deal, click on few more right here. So click on few more, then it's load up more toys in this category right here. Now let's explore tech section. Go ahead and click on tech section right here. So under the tech section, you see some of the Black Friday deal in tech section. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see what is happening right here as far as Black Friday is concerned. So if I'm interested in this particular earphone, so I'll click on it and it's going to load up like so. So as at the time of making this video, I'm buying this headphone at 1,850 naira, and the Black Friday deal end at December 4, which is next month, compared to the time I'm making this video. We can scroll down here and check on the detail, and it also attracts free shipping. You save about 15,000 plus in these sections right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about AliExpress deal like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.